but she posted today and all of that. So my people came on my live and they were like, why is Grace posting your boyfriend as her ex? Sarah as her ex now taking the cloud. Like, oh guys, I was like confused and everything was starting to make sense, man. But this whole situation, it pulls me back and it's, oh man, oh god. And I can't even sleep. I tried sleeping, I can't.
So anyway, Oshara actually Grace Mondlana.
I think her ex is my boyfriend.
Hi bo. Ndabengaga sis.
I know, man.
Oh, that's why I'm funeraling.
No, I'm not allowed to in my culture. It's not ideal because it's believed or you might also follow.
Yeah.
Sure, sorry wanyana fucking lalwe.
Yeah.
Something. Could I give you the whole like the whole?
This guy didn't tell you that he's still with Grace.
They were not together, the ex, but now Grace posted and said he was the love of my life. From those kind of things on. So
Yeah.
could now post that as like guys
Something that
like,
is still happening between Enale ex.
no.
Mara and what's part Grace when you move again?
So why?
Yeah, and a little truck on a so she posted that today. And I was like, oh my gosh. And now I'm trying to sleep and I can't.
Aragane guys, le 5 years kamara no.
Jojo, jalo wena le motho le kopane ka ngwanesh.
You might hear man. He's not here. We met the size, took me out, and then yeah, started dating.
Oh, he
from
was in a
there.
car accident.
Yeah.
When did you speak to him? Yo, guys, and do
I was with him on Friday, the day before he was involved in a car accident.
Yo, the viewers here are the one
I knew it was a bad idea for me to enter the live because I knew that people were gonna, because I get Linux on my side is gonna alert people I'm live, so they're gonna come. Because mine were like 200 to 300
people that were thinking I was
to be listened to or to be seen or to be known. Because I think
she's jealous of Grace Mondlane.